Retinol. Not only doctors, but my patients are also talking about retinol now. So, retinol is a vitamin A derivative. Vitamin A is naturally present in our body in the form of retinol, retinaldehyde, retinoic acid, as well as retinal esters. Some of the synthetic derivatives of vitamin A are known as retinoids or retinol-like. In cosmetic industry, both retinol as well as retinol-like products like tretinoin and adapalene has its specific role. So how does this exactly work? Well, there's a whole complex process, but what it normally does is that it exfoliates your skin. So it actually peels off your skin layer by layer. And with this, what are the benefits that we get? Number one, the melanin, which is a skin pigment which is responsible for that blotchy pigmentation and darkening of the skin, it is present in the superficial layers of the skin. And with the exfoliation action of retinol, this pigmentation is peeled off, thereby brightening and lightening your skin. And the comedones, the blackheads, whiteheads, which are present in the superficial layer of the skin and are trapped, because of exfoliation, they are also lysed. Therefore, retinol and its derivatives also have its role in acne. But over a period of time, if you continue to use retinol and its derivatives for, let's say, 3 to 4 months, there is collagen and elastin buildup. And with that, there will be textural change, either in the form of improvement in fine lines, wrinkles, open pores, and overall smoothness of the skin. So by this time, you must have got an idea that where all we can use retinol. Yes, the most popular use in the cosmetic industry is for its anti-aging benefits, but it can also be used for skin brightening and lightening and even improvement in acne. And in fact, these are the first few visible effects that you can see within 1 month of using this product. And the improvement in fine lines and wrinkles, the anti-aging benefits takes a longer period of time. There are still certain precautions you need to follow while using retinoids. It is a highly photosensitive product, so use this at night. It can cause retinoid dermatitis or retinoid reaction, which is because of continuous or prolonged use or using a large quantity of retinoids. You might have peeling sensation, a sense of stretched skin, visible scaling, even burning sensation even when you apply water. And to prevent that, start with alternate day usage of retinol and then gradually start using it daily once your skin is used to it. Also a good idea to apply moisturizer on top of retinol so that whatever drying up is happening because of retinol usage can be compensated by a moisturizer. But you know, it is not as simple. Retinol family has a whole range of products ranging from tretinoin, retinoic acid, retinaldehyde, retinal esters, and each of these individual products has its own role. The most potent of all the retinol derivative is tretinoin, which is used in a concentration ranging from 0.1%, 0.05% to 0.025%. But because it is so potent, so effective, it has the highest rate of side effects. Therefore, for cosmetic use, it is not that popular. However, it has its role in improvement in stretch marks and improvement in acne. This is followed by retinol, which is obviously not as effective. In fact, it is 20 times less potent than tretinoin, but it is much more tolerable to the skin. So you will not have that burning sensation normally. But it has to be used at a concentration of 1% for it to be effective. Retinoic acid and retinaldehyde, which are other natural derivatives of vitamin A naturally present in the skin, can also be used for anti-aging benefits in a concentration of 0.05%. But retinal esters have not thought to play any role in anti-aging as of now. So when you purchase a bottle which says retinol, 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 wrinkle free and anti-aging, please check the actual ingredient and please check the concentration, because only then it is going to be effective. Some of my product recommendations are Reti-Age by Sesderma in the serum form for oily skin and the cream form for dry skin. Dermacetix Retinol 0.5, 1.0 depending upon the degree of age-related changes that you are having. Retisis again by Sesderma, and Zine Obagi retinol preparations like wrinkle repair. So much for today, guys. So next time you purchase a bottle of retinol, make sure to exactly know what are the ingredients present in that bottle and what concentration are you using it, and are you using it effectively and properly or not. So please tell me in the comment section whether this video was useful and how are you going to purchase your next retinol preparation. So much for today, guys. Till the time, be beautiful, be influential.